Okay, hello everyone. My name is Surya Adi Wibowo, and in today's occasion, I'm going to talk about the war and peace in Turkey and Syria. When we hear the word war, we often imagine distant battlefields and political leaders, but war is not only fought with weapons, it is also fought in homes that no longer exist, in borders that separate families, and in lives forced to flee without knowing where the peace truly is. Today, I want to talk about a war that is still happening, a conflict between Turkey and Syria, and what it tells us about war, peace, and humanity. The conflict between Turkey and Syria did not begin overnight. It emerged from the Syrian civil war, which started in 2011 and continues to affect the region until today. As Syria descended into chaos, armed groups began to control areas near Turkey borders. Among them were Kurdish militias that Turkey considered a serious security threat. In response, Turkey launched multiple military operations inside northern Syria, that claiming the need to protect its borders and prevent terrorism. From Syria perspective, these military interventions violate national sovereignty. From Turkey's perspective, they are acts of self-defense. This is where war becomes complex because it is no longer simply about one country attacking another. It is about fear, security, identity, and survival. Even today, Turkish troops remain inside Syrian territory. Military operations continue and peace remains uncertain. However, the greatest victims of this conflict are not governments or armies, they are ordinary people. Millions of Syrians have been displaced. Families cross borders carrying nothing but memories of their homes. Children grow up knowing the sounds of explosions better than the sound of peace. Turkey currently hosts millions of Syrian refugees, where people caught between a homeland they cannot return to uh, and a future that remains unclear. This conflict forces us to ask an important question. What does peace truly mean? Is peace simply in the absence of fighting, or the safety, dignity, and the right to life without fear? The case of Turkey and Syria shows that war does not end when weapons fall silent. Its consequences continue through displacement, trauma, and unresolved political tension. As global citizens, we cannot see war as something distant or irrelevant. Conflict like this shape international relations, human rights, and our shared humanity. Understanding war is the first step toward peace. Empathy is not weakness, it is responsibility. Peace requires dialogue, international cooperation, and most importantly, recognition of human suffering beyond political interest. The conflict between Turkey and Syria reminds us that war is never simple and peace is never automatic. If war divides us, then peace must be built through understanding, compassion, and responsibility. Because in the end, peace is not only a political goal, but a human necessity. And I think that's all that I can say for today. And thank you very much.